Hey YouTube, today I'm at SRS Tints in Vaughan. They have two locations, one in Vaughan and one in Mississauga, to apply the paint protection film, PPF, and also explore window tinting options. SRS uses products such as Expel, Suntech, and 3M for their protections. So it'll be good to have some protection on the vehicle, especially the front end where you may get some stone chips and all. So if you want to protect your investments, PPF is probably the best way to go. They also have ceramic coating, which offers I guess a hydrophobic property, so the water would kind of dissipate from your paint and leave it nice and clean. So we'll go in and explore the different options. Okay, so we're inside SRS Tints in Vaughan. So here's the inside, and this is Alex, the franchise owner, I believe.
Yes, this is Vaughan.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time. So Alex is going to explain for us the different tint options for the windows.
Alright, sorry, so coming back to your question regarding the difference between the films.
Yes.
We have several film options. We have carbon film, we have hybrid film, and we have ceramic film. The main difference is that the carbon has only 5-year warranty, and the hybrid and ceramic, they have the lifetime warranty. In terms of the difference between the last two is the heat rejection mainly. So ceramic film will provide a high heat rejection, so in summertime it's going to be cooler inside the vehicle, and in the winter time it's going to be a little bit warmer, so it's going to keep the heat inside the car. And in terms of the shades,
yes.
Like here we are in interior, what is recommended to install for the two front windows is
yes.
usually 35% or
right.
lighter.
Okay, and
the
you
percentage stands for VLT, visible light transmission. So the
right.
higher percentage, the more light coming through.
Okay, got it. And then you were showing just here the on this side. There's like different shades, right? So I'm
yes.
just going to show the audience the different shades of the darkness.
Sure. So starting from the top, this is the 5%. It's like the limo tint. People install it on the back glass where they want to have the most privacy.
Right.
And
very dark. Can you see from the inside out?
You can see from the inside out very easy.
Right.
It's going to be more privacy when you look from outside
in
to the inside.
Got it.
Yes.
Got it. Thank you.
The next shade from the top is going to be 15 or 20%. This is what most of the cars have as a factory tint. Let's say we're talking about the SUVs or pickup trucks. Most of them right now, they have the back windows tinted.
Right.
And they're tinted like from the factory, and this is what they have on the back glass.
Okay.
The next step lower is going to be the 35%. This is what I told right now to the audience.
That's the legal.
Yes.
That's legally in Ontario. 35, right?
Yes. So you can know. You have no problem seeing from the outside to the inside, and this is the main concern that police might have while they see you driving. So they only want to see who is driving the car.
Right. Got it.
And the next two options, 45% and 80%. This is what people mostly ask us to install for the windshields. I have to tell you that windshield tinting is completely illegal.
Right.
But like for the purpose of heat rejection, people install very, very light shades.
Got it.
To get some remedy from the sunlight.
So 80% would be suitable for front windshield, so where normally it would be illegal. Got it.
Correct.
Thank you very much. That's very helpful. All right. So Alex is going to walk us through what exactly does 18 inches of PPF coverage on the hood. 24 actually looks like on a Model 3.
Alright, so in terms of the partial coverage, we have two options. As you said right now, it's 18 inch and 24 inch.
Yes.
When you're thinking about the 18 inch, the coverage will be roughly up to this level of the car. So when we install the hood, we also install the partial fenders, and they're going to be lined up where the hood ends. So it's going to be hood ending roughly at this level, then it's going to be lined up fender, and a little bit portion of the fender below the headlight. If you're talking about the 24-inch coverage,
Yes.
it ends pretty much on the level with the headlight.
Headlight. Got it.
Yes. So the fenders going to be installed as well, like on the same level.
Right.
And
then if you're doing it on the side, is there going to be a visible line on the side of the fender? Like, would you see a like where the actual PPF ends?
yes, you will be able to see a little line,
Okay.
obviously, because the film is quite thick. It's 8 mil.
Right.
And, you can sense it, like how thick it is.
Okay. And then I was just worried that over time, with like dirt and stuff, it might show up as like a very heavy black line across. People were saying the edge of it needs to be cleaned. Is that right?
Mostly you see this problem on the light vehicles.
Okay.
Like on the white color.
Yes.
Because like the dirt is such a big contrast on the white color. And with the dark colors, you won't be able to see the line like that much as on the light cars.
Okay,
But
so a white Tesla would be very visible, right, with the line, whereas a darker black or gray, dark gray, or midnight silver, I think this is called, it's fine, right?
It's silver and I believe it's gray metallic, right? Or gray.
Something like that, yeah.
And yes, we recommend to clean the edges, but if you are not able to clean the edge over the time and you see that the dirt build up,
Yes, yes.
what we can do for you, we can trim the edge like 1/16 to the back.
Oh, I
and
see.
you'll get the brand new edge again.
Got it, okay. And then I read somewhere that Expel, if there's a stone chip, you can actually apply heat to seal it again, is that right?
Yes, this is right, this is correct. All the modern films right now, they have the self-heal option.
Right.
And this means that if the scratch or any damage is within the clear coat of the film,
Yes.
you can apply some heat, you can pour some like hot water, or use the heat gun, or just simply bring the car on a sunny day outside.
Yes.
And those scratches will disappear.
Right.
But if the scratch is deep enough that it passes through the clear coat,
Right.
then you won't be able to see that, unfortunately.
So as long as the stone chip is only surface on the actual Expel PPF, apply the heat gun or the heat to it, then it can actually heal that film damage then, right?
Mostly it's applied to the swirl marks.
Oh, okay.
Because the stone chips, the impact is quite forceful.
Right.
And when it hits the PPF, most of the time it will leave some mark on the film itself.
Okay.
So you shouldn't be worried about this much,
Yeah,
because this is the purpose why you're doing the PPF in the first place.
that's right. And there's a lifetime warranty, right, with the Expel?
This is 10-year warranty.
10-year warranty, got it.
Against yellowing, striking, bubbling, discoloration, fading. So this is an amazing product. I would say, based on my personal experience, that this is the best film right now on the market available.
Right. And Expel, I think you guys also offer 3M as well, right? And the other products other than Expel?
No, we don't anymore.
Oh, okay. Just
So-
Expel now, right?
We used to have some Suntec film and 3M film.
Right, right.
Those three brands are the main competitors in the market: Expel, 3M, and Suntec.
Yes.
But the problem is that the Suntec comes a little bit yellow from day one.
Oh,
So
I
if you
see.
compare it with the 3M and the Expel, they're a little bit yellow from day one.
Right.
And the 3M used to have a problem with applying the big panels. So when you install the big hood, like bulk installation,
Yes.
16-inch roll,
Right.
it used to have some problems with the waviness
Yes.
on the surface.
Right, right.
So we experienced that a couple of times, and after that we had to replace it. We obviously didn't want to ruin our reputation, and after that we just decided not to.
So Expel is the best, like for longevity.
So far, yes.
Sounds good. All right, let's go with that. Okay, thank you, Alex.
Thank you.